Hello, and here we are loading up the ferry in Victoria, British Columbia, ready to go over to Port Angeles, Washington for the Ride the Hurricane. We're going to ride up to Hurricane Ridge from Port Angeles, a climb of 5,240 feet. So everyone's getting on board, getting their bikes sorted out, and then we'll be heading off shortly. Okay, here we are approaching Port Angeles, and there is Hurricane Ridge waiting for us for tomorrow. Lovely day, long climb. Okay, here we are, Ride the Hurricane. Ready to go. The scenic porta potty, the first rest stop. Everyone's finding it a little bit hard to get going. But a beautiful morning. I think Mike's got the best rig, which is a gravel bike with some monster gears. My stuff, just a regular road bike, probably not enough gearing, but we're getting it done. Here's someone coming downhill. He's already done it. We're at the second rest stop. Still got plenty of distance to go. Whew. We're officially at the halfway point, and
officially halfway.
Yeah, questions are starting to arise. Sanity, fitness, gear selection. All right, we'll get some water and we'll go on. We are mile 14, 6 to go. What do you reckon, Mike?
It's getting harder.
Getting harder.
Or I'm getting weaker.
But we're getting up above the trees, getting way up here. Woo!
I say the first quarter is the hardest, but that's not true.
It's all hard. It's all hard. Here we are at the top. Hurricane Ridge, baby. 20 miles, 5,240 feet. We are done, baby.